might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Are you ready for a challenge? A challenge that's delicious and rewarding. A challenge that will fill your kitchen with amazing aromas. Get ready for the Ultimate Apple Pie Challenge. This is your chance to bake the most incredible apple pie. But there's a twist. We're adding a special ingredient, cinnamon-infused honey. This simple addition will elevate your pie to new heights. Get ready to bake. Get ready to create. Get ready to win. This isn't just about following a recipe. It's about exploring flavors. It's about expressing your creativity through baking. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a complete novice, this challenge is for you. We want to see your unique take on the classic apple pie. So grab your apron, preheat your oven, and let's get baking. Apple pie is a classic for a reason. It's the perfect combination of sweet and tart. The flaky crust, the juicy filling, the warm spices. It's comfort food at its best. But we're taking it up a notch. We're adding honey to the mix. Honey adds a depth of flavor that sugar alone can't match. It's a natural sweetener with a unique taste, but not just any honey. We're using cinnamon-infused honey. This special ingredient brings warmth and spice to the pie. The cinnamon complements the apples perfectly. It creates a flavor combination that is both familiar and exciting. The honey adds moisture and helps to create a luscious, gooey filling. Cinnamon is a spice that's synonymous with fall baking. It's warm, inviting, and comforting. It pairs beautifully with apples, enhancing their natural sweetness. But cinnamon is more than just a flavor enhancer. It has a fascinating history and a range of health benefits. Cinnamon has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Cinnamon is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can help regulate blood sugar levels, and it adds a wonderful aroma to your kitchen. By infusing honey with cinnamon, we're creating a powerhouse ingredient. It's a flavor combination that will elevate your apple pie. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. Now it's your turn to get creative. The Ultimate Apple Pie Challenge is all about putting your own spin on a classic. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different apple varieties. Add a crumble topping. Use a cookie cutter to make decorative shapes with your crust. This is your chance to show off your baking skills. Think about the presentation. How will you make your pie stand out? Maybe you'll create a beautiful lattice crust. Or perhaps you'll add a decorative edge to your pie. You can even use a stencil to dust powdered sugar over the top. Let your imagination run wild. There are no limits to what you can create. Once you've baked your masterpiece, we want to see it. Share a photo of your pie on social media. Use the hashtag #UltimateApplePieChallenge so we can find your creation. Tell us about your inspiration. What apple varieties did you use? Did you add any special touches? We want to hear all about your baking journey. By sharing your pie, you'll be inspiring others to get baking. You'll be part of a community of passionate bakers. And you'll have the chance to win some amazing prizes. So what are you waiting for? Get baking and show us your apple pie creations. The Ultimate Apple Pie Challenge isn't just about bragging rights. There are some sweet rewards up for grabs. We'll be awarding prizes for the most creative pies, the most delicious pies, and the most visually appealing pies. So put your best foot forward and bake your heart out. But the real reward is the joy of baking, the satisfaction of creating something delicious from scratch, the feeling of accomplishment when you pull your perfect pie out of the oven. So join the Ultimate Apple Pie Challenge. Embrace the challenge, unleash your creativity, and bake the apple pie of your dreams.